up guys, Sling Grace here, and I got my bike on this ruggy for one only reason. I am going to be doing a bike check, just cleaning it up. I'm going to polish it at the end of the video, and then I'm going to switch to my scooter when I get done with that. And I got myself a wet rag and a dry rag, so I can wash it all up and get it all cleaned up. And I'm going to basically just take everything off and get it all cleaned up. And yeah, let's get right into it. What's up guys, it's Sling Grace here again, and I just got done cleaning my bike up right here, and I just got the tires put back on. I just cleaned in between the hub, body, the rims and everything. I got in between the spokes, got the hubs. I got the frame all cleaned up. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get back into this video in just a few seconds and do the polishing. What's up guys, Sling Grace here. I got Holden Moldy with me. We're going to lift some weights in a little bit after I get done doing this video. I am sorry I did not get to the end of that video and finish polishing my bike. I do got it all cleaned up. It's sitting in my room right here. My scooter is outside. Sorry I did not get to rest of that part. And I will do another video of me polishing my bike, but I'm gonna have Hunter with me when I do it. And we're gonna do his bike too. And here's a 2-video special of Hunter wrecking. Let's get right into it. That's the end of my video guys, and don't forget, if you already haven't, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit that gray bell next to the subscribe button, because that will give you all the information and tell you everything about all my videos. Shut up. It'll just basically send you notifications about when I post a video or something like that. And see you guys later in the next video.